Gago. Oh, fuck!
Okay. Ngayon. Ay, gagi, ba't parang nalaro ko na to? Gago! Nalaro ko na to. Did someone feed the cats here? Ba't parang nalaro ko na to?
Ako yung naglaro niyan.
Hindi ako
Ako yung naglaro niyan.
Sure ka?
Oo. Hindi ko lang natapos.
Pwede ko pala tumakbo.
Hindi ko kaya.
Hindi mo kaya? Hindi alam ko na laro ko to eh.
Ako yung naglaro. Kayo nanood. Mga 30 minutes
Ay,
nga
paano?
tayo naghanap ng...
Paano ba to?
Hindi nga.
Wala man lang alusoy. Paano to? Kanina nakakatakbo ko through shift. Ngayon control lig. Diba? Uy, pwede ko pala tanggalin eh.
What the heck?
Oh my god, wow, so realistic, wow. Okay. Is there an active military base nearby? May malay ko ba? Ano yung goal? Wala bang goal dito?
Your explore lang. Di ba may narinig kang ano? Tunog.
Tunog sa...
Diyan. Di ba parang may narinig kang
Oh.
crash? Wala ka bang narinig? Oh.
Gago. Hindi ko.
Go.
These candles will be useful when night falls. Thank you, cats. Ah. Cats? I hate cats. Ito, may photo ba niya?
May parang alarm.
I can't read what it says. I need to get my Russian-English dictionary. Ang ina. Tapos ginawa mo pang English yung game. Kung Russian din pala. Eh paano lang kung ni-Russian ko to, eh di nabasa ko yung English.
Need mo daw yung Russian dictionary.
Ano ba yan? Ang bagal ko naman maglakad. I can see the candles now. Okay, congrats. Ah, ito pala yung use ng ano, lighter.
Need mo ng video camera.
Now I can spread out my sleeping bag. Go. Paano to? Escape? Hindi. Paano to? Baka ayoko. Uy,
Ko
ayun.
alam. Yan, may dictionary.
Paano ko ba i-ano to?
Right click ata.
Hindi, ayaw. ZXZVBNM. Sheesh,
Bahala ka
masyado.
dyan.
Hindi nga ako maka-zoom in, zoom out eh. Okay. Ito yung nakakatamad na part eh, yung magbabasa. In 1958, towards the end. Ikaw na lang mag-ano, Oliver, ikaw mag-narrate.
In 1958, towards the end of the summer, parents called the camp to find out if everything was all right with their children, but no one answered. When they arrived at the camp, they found no one, only abandoned things and a mess. All the locals helped in the search for the missing children, but all in vain.
Sabi daw,
Ano
nakita
sabi?
ko, I need some sleep.
Yung subtitles. I need such. Hindi punta ka saan.
Ano?
Paano mo natanggal yung night vision?
Hindi ko alam, magic.
Yan.
Puta.
Baka punta ka sa sleeping bag. Yung morning pa dyan, kailangan mo agad matulog.
Ano nang sunod?
Kailangan mo daw matulog.
Matulog. Saan mo yung sleeping
Sleeping
bag?
bag.
Maghanap
Bag.
ako.
Nasa bag mo.
May
Iba
bag
na
pala ako.
Ay.
Ito.
Ilan?
Ito. Bag ba to? Ang bag nga to. tayo malapit sa sunog. Man, paano to i-set up? Done. Need to prepare for the night. Umaga pa nga lang eh.
Wala.
Loading. Night number 1.
Gago. Gago.
Bakit? Gago gabi. Gago na setup ko. Sino nag-setup?
Pass mo.
Na, bakit tinik?
Ako automatic.
Ayaw ko eh. Hala. Wow. Kailangan ko i-hold yung mouse wheel.
May namatay na ibon, no?
Paano mo alam?
Ano?
May pagkain na ako mamaya.
Ginawa mo. Gago. Tangina. Anong purpose mo dyan?
Kaya nga eh. Hindi parang nagva-vlog ako dito tapos maghanap ako ng paranormal activity.
Ay.
Ewan ko. Kala ko ba binasa mo yung ano natin kanina?
Gagi sabi daw may nawala lang na bata.
Baka pulis ako.
O, sabagay.
Ano na naman ang gagawin dito? Ko!
Putang.
Fucking hell,
Put.
man. Fuck. Yun. Hindi ko pa pwede itong basahin. May dictionary ako.
Wala, baka selected lang. Ayan yung...
Ayun, yung dictionary
newspaper
ko.
Kanina.
Ay wow, pwede pala ako mag-zoom in. Nakaka-zoom in
Tapos
pala ako. Ha?
Saan night vision mo?
Hindi ko rin alam. T.
Press mga space.
Space, wala. GG. F1, F2.
Press mo every letter. Press mo every letter.
Pinares ko na lahat. Ayun, nulo. Ano yun? Dito banda. F. Okay, F. F. Where is my dictionary? Tangina.
Ano yung goal?
Where is my dictionary, par? Ano ito? Ano?
Ayan yun.
Asan yung dictionary ko kasi? Tangina.
Paano sa tabi mo lang?
Puta naman. Ito ba yung dictionary? Ay nako. Bakit nilagay ko dyan? Okay.
An investigation is underway on the disappearance of children and employees of the UNOS Pioneer Camp, which was opened in 1955 under the leadership of Director Maria Anatolievna.
Anatolievna.
Antolievna. Okay. The suspect in this case is a child living in this camp. The name is Yakov. Evidence of the victims was found in his locker. What the fuck? What happened to him and where he is now is not known. Gago.
Okay. Ano, i-translate mo sa akin. Hindi, joke.
Pwede na tayo mag-rush na.
Ay, meron pa palang isa, no?
Gago ka.
Oh, I'm not scared. Ito, new successes in space. Ano?
May letter. May letter din sa may chair, di ba?
Saan? Nakalimutan ko saan.
Yan nasa left na dyan. You need to pick up a small mirror and stand in front of a large one to make a corridor. Say 3 times, barefoot lady, show me my fate, and I will give my shoes in return. Damn. Ano to, parang Bloody Mary.
What will I search? Mirror?
What the f...
Tapos. Wow. Gogo, kinalose yung...
Gago.
Tangina, nilak ako. ba ng... So, tingin mo natatakot ako sa'yo, par? Hindi ako natatakot sa'yo, par. Ito may fence. Saan na? Ano nasunod? Mirror daw. Hindi ako My God. Nabasa na ba to? Nabasa na.
Oo.
Mirror daw. Anong mirror? Mirror lang na yung naintindihan ko dun eh. Find 3, tapos mirror. So, ano to? So, ano to?
Nakabukas na.
The pioneer grows up brave and is not afraid of difficulties. So, pinupush, pinupull. Eh, buksan mo na lang kaya. Sipain ko to eh. What? What? What is next? Uy. Gago, ang realistic ng picture.
Gago. Ano hinahanap mo? Ba't sarado ka pa?
Eh, kala ko ba binasa mo? Putang ina.
Putang ina. Gago,
Ano
nagbukas
yun?
na.
Ito nagbukas din. Wala akong ginawa tapos biglang bukas. Ay.
Uy, gago.
Yo! Did I die? What the fuck?
Namatay ka.
Namatay ba ako?
Pasko ka. Huwag nang magkasabi ng ganyan.
Oh my god, my head. Oh, ibang lugar na naman to. Oh, sanggala.
Ay, kagising lang.
Okay, same lang.
Bukas yan. Kanina ka-board up yan ah.
Kanina may ano dito, handset. Ah. Kung may run kasi dito, ba't walang run dito? Oh. Gago yung sex tape namin. I don't understand what it says. I need to use... Okay, okay. You're not welcome here.
Uy.
Why? Isn't not Thanksgiving?
Kunin mo daw video camera mo.
Hindi ko makuha eh. Nakaharang ko to eh.
Yan, take. Take mo yan.
Take pala.
Uy, natamaan ka sa ulo. The one who hit me on my head took the candles. I have to figure out what's going on.
Need to try to
Need to
turn
try
on
to
the
turn
lights in
on
the
the
entire
lights.
building. Pwede ko kaya sirayan.
Oo, yung gawa mo sa banyo.
Ano? May nagaham.
Parang
What
nagawa.
the fuck?
Puto.
Holy shit.
Ano yan?
The fuck is that, Kadiri?
Ano yun? Nagaham?
Ano, be clean, neat, pioneer, show an example in everything. May handprint.
Oo, ngayon nga.
God. Dito ata galing din yun. Pwede na ba ito basahin? Saan na ba yun? Okay, your turn.
Late at night, when people fall asleep, no need for fun and no need for a fool. And the bells are empty, and the eyes are full of bitterness. The courtiers don't know what that fun means to the fool. The fool decides that enough is enough, and he that night, wearing a sad suit, poisons the court and the king. I'm sad at heart, but the plan is not a failure. The The fool will no longer be fun for you. Huh?
Hotdog.
Tangina namig na.
Gago. Ano to?
Kung mamaya magbubukas yan, Travis. Tangina.
Gago. Kala ko babae.
Ano hinanap? Ay, kailangan mo buktan yung ilaw, di ba? Sabi daw niya.
Ito ilaw. Hindi. Ba yan? Vampire gagi. Yung nasa Little Prince. Ito si Little Prince.
Oh, baka nga.
Baka ano, kinat tayo ng Meralco. Ayun, the fuse is missing. Puta naman.
Hanapin mo yung fuse.
Ano ba yung tsura ng fuse?
Nandun, yung parang...
Oh, ano, natakot ako? Hindi! May sulat. Nabasa mo na ba to?
There are legends that there was an orphanage near this camp. And there lived a strange girl who was afraid of water. She did not wash and did not go to the river. One day, the older girls decided to laugh at her, tied her hands, and poured water over her. She was very scared and ran away. They couldn't find her for many days, and they decided that she was dead. But one night, she came back in her pajamas all wet and killed everyone who bullied her. After that, her spirit appears in the bathroom on a full moon. Ay, putang ina.
Saan ba yung bathroom?
Papakita,
Nandito
tumapaya.
yung bathroom.
Yan yung bathroom nandyan kung nasaan ka.
Ito pala bathroom. Ayaw nga, ano.
Pops. Pops.
Ito, kailangan ka. Do not throw garbage in the sink. Puta, kaya ako nagalit ang puta.
Fuse ah, fuse.
Ba't kasi hindi pwede tumakbo dito?
Eh, baka wala ka namang, ano bang, ang lit kasi ng lugar, paano ka
Ito.
makakaalam? The director of the pioneer camp, Yunus, Maria Anatolievna A, disappeared like the rest of the camp workers. Maria had previously taken care of children in an orphanage from 1944 to 1950. She was a caregiver who devoted herself only to work. Discipline was the most important to her, so the parents entrusted their children to her. Okay, si
Sino yung kalaban?
Antolievna.
Yung
Antolievna.
Antolievna. Yung babae
Ko
na
alam.
bata.
Eh,
Wala.
may batang lalaki daw na pumatay at yung batang babae daw may na pumapatay din. Uy,
Puta, ba't ang haba kasi? Tangina, nagbasa
Bakit?
na lang sana tayo ng libro.
bakit lahat ng mga bata na pumapasok sa camp na to may problema? One day, a girl came to the camp with a stuffed bear toy. She went everywhere with him and even slept with him. The guys began to mock her that she came with her favorite bunny as a little girl and made fun of her. Even the director asked to hide the hair in the closet so that there would be no disagreements among peers. The girl listened to her and put the hair in the locker. And in the coming night, the hair came to life. He was offended by his mistress and those who mocked her and strangled everyone at night. Kita mo,
Grabe.
lahat may problema.
This one girl slept with the hair? What the fuck? Tangin na mga weirdo. Ginawang sex toy yung toy. Ito. Ito. Uy, ito. It doesn't really need to find a fuse.
Yun yung hinahanap mo yung fuse.
Ito
Baka nasa
ito
isang
yung
room.
water bill ko eh.
Oo.
Ibang fuse.
Kulay green.
Paano mo alam? Ito,
Kulay green yung nasa ano kanina eh. Nasa fuse. Yung
Ano
nasa
ba to? Umiilaw
fuse
to.
box.
The pioneer is ready. Pioneer ang puta.
Pioneer.
Pioneer, kaya nga eh.
Pioneer.
Wala na. Kapag naging Bisaya ka talaga. Oh my God, where do they keep the fuse, man? Ito. Nabasa mo na ba to? And there, I
I was
trusted
scared
my friend.
and I didn't know it would end here. And there pala. I trusted her, my friend Anna. I'm sorry for not being able to stop this. Sino nagsulat niyan?
Tapos di pala ma-press. Ba't kasi nakakarang tong mga to? Ayun! I'll take the box with me. If something goes wrong at night, then I'll use the light bulbs for lighting. Okay.
Ayun. Laki-laki pala niyan, di natin nakita.
Need to take the sleeping bag. Okay. Putang inang gago.
Ina. Putang ina, gago.
Gago ko, hindi ko in-expect yun.
Putang ina ko rin. Tang ina yung balahibo sa ano ko.
Ano yung balahibo sa ano? Paano ko
Sa
to
likod.
i-drop ngayon? F.
Next to the sleeping bag daw.
Paano ko i-drop? Right click. Puta pa. Hindi kasi, wala kasi itong ano eh, controls. Paano mag-drop ngayon? Q.
Sa fuse, try mo sa malapit sa fuse box.
Tinatry ko kung saan yung pwede pang drop. Kaso wala. Ay, wala.
Sabi ko na eh.
Tapos, yun. Turn on the light. Puta, saan yung light ngayon?
Yung kanina, yung switch kanina. May naano ka na switch, di ba?
Ito. Sheesh. Tapos,
Ang gagawin.
you need to go to bed. It'll be dark soon.
Ano yun ang ginawa niya pong araw dyan?
Sleep. Of course, sleep. Kaya nga sinabing i-sleep eh.
Yun, like, naglalakad-lakad lang siya dyan habang may araw. Sinintay lang niya yung gabi.
Anong number ng nights ba to?
Five Nights at Freddy's, di ko alam.
The clock stop at 3:07 AM. Okay. Tapos, ano naman plano ng...
Buti
What?
may
Wala
ilaw.
akong... Ay, gagi yung ano ko, camera. Tick. Asa na naman yung ano? Yung... Nawala yung dictionary ko. Shit. Ngayon, lock.
Oh, sino nag-lock?
Gawin. Dito talaga walang ilaw eh.
Oh, kung ano yun?
Ano yan?
Parang may cradle. Music.
Dito. Oh, Pop, straight speaking. Ay, pwede ka pala pumasok. Wow. Oh, ginagamit nila to. Bruh. Don't lock me. Oh, kung realistic na naman, oh.
Ano yun? Ano yan? Yung ano tawag dyan?
Basta sa playground.
Oh.
Di ba ako pwede mag-jump?
Putang ina. Uy, putang ina. Putang ina.
Bakit? Tangina talaga gumalaw yung mga kalamnan ko dun.
Oh my God.
Gago. Siya ba yun? Gago
Oh,
siya nga.
to.
Straight
Gago.
peeking. Straight peeking. Ano. Di ako, di ako natatakot sa'yo, par. Asan ka na, par? Gago na wala siya.
Baka sa isang room. Nabukas ata.
Okay. Ah, respect the work of leaders.
Hindi mo na kailangan ng dictionary ah.
Kaya nga eh. Ano to? Ay, bote. Kala ko nag-glow. Oh, yan.
Gago.
Okay, the host is clear. What am I even looking? This box wasn't open before. It's locked. It would be interesting to know what's inside. So we need the fucking key. We need
Hanap
the
na naman
key.
ng susi.
I hope it's easy to find. Oh my gosh. Lakas ng buntong hininga. Pwede kayo lumusot dito.
Yata.
Feeling ko alam ko na yung algorithm nito eh. Kapag may pinapahanap, hindi sa lugar na to. Sa ibang room. There were spare light bulbs in the box. No, I don't need them now. I need to conserve. Ano ba yun? Hindi ko ba pwedeng sirain na lang yung box? My gosh. What?
Tipo sa banyo. Gago. Baka sa banyo. Yun yung ginagawa sa mga movie.
Okay.
Gago.
Sheesh. Ito ba yung mga babae? Pwede ko ba
Check mo yung likod.
1946. Santos, Slovenia.
Ganyan naka-HD nung 1946.
Ano to?
Monkey Wars ata.
Ulit. Ba yan? Ito may matches. Yan. Nauubusan kaya tayo ng battery.
Kaya ang bobo, saan siya nagcha-charge? Or baka may mga battery siya din. Parang AA.
Titanic. My God, man.
Finding simulator to.
Ito yung fuse kanina. God. Tapos nasa door na ito. Ay, kala ko.
Ano ko ng susi? Check mo likod, check mo likod.
Okay.
Opening of an orphanage. Ba't puro orphanage? Puro bata.
My Oh my gosh. Ano na? Ano yun? Kailangan sundin yung task talaga? Sige na nga. Nasaan ba yung light bulbs? Ay naku. Kiki sabi mo eh. Ayun, paano to? Wow, amazing. Ang Galing. Meron kaya dito. Eh, sinara ko din, di ba?
Sasara.
My gosh, feeling ko andito lang eh. Kasi,
Ilak niya.
ba't pa ako?
Grabe yung baby mo. Baby radio ba yun?
Inoff ko
Naka-on
yun, di
na
ba?
naman. Oo.
Saan ba yung susi na to?
Baka replace mo muna yung mga ano, ilaw. Tama
Wala,
pala ginawa mo.
Yan lang yung ilaw eh.
Ay,
Wala namang ilaw dito. Feeling ko talaga makakadaan ako dapat.
kailan ba ng susi? Baka code?
Ulit nga ulit. To know what's
Ay,
inside.
hindi nga susi.
Sarap sirain na lang eh.
Puta. Ano tawag ko dun? Yung mga dolls? Russian dolls?
Mga Higlitown heroes. Oh my, where is the key?
Yung ano, baka nakasabit lang dyan. Yung susi. Check mo each ganyan. Meron dun sa malapit sa fuse box.
Double check na lang.
Alo, ulo.
Gagi, kaya pala yung water bill po. Sanggala. Hindi ko nga pinireceive.
Ay, nagbukas?
Ulo. Hindi ako gumagalaw. What is this? Alo. Oh my gosh.
Gago, may tumutulong sa taas. Uy, gago. Gago.
Gago, kakala ko ano lang yun.
Gago, kala ko umulan. Yan, pwede mo na ito buksan, no?
Ha? Ano yun? Hindi nga natin na ano yung objective.
Nakuha mo na yung susi?
Wala. Oh my god, what just fucking happened?
Gago, ano yun?
Oh my
Gago.
god, recording na to. Shit.
Ano nangyari sa ilaw?
Oh my god. Off din dito eh.
Gago.
I'm not scared. Oh my gosh! Ano, susundan ko dapat yun. Ayun yung hair. That na nakitulog sa babae.
Ay, oo pala.
Sheesh.
Yung bunny. We're piecing it together.
Oh my god, just open up. Ito, nabasa mo na ba ito?
The director of the Pioneer Camp, Yunus Maria. Ay, oo na. Basa na natin to.
Ngayon lang ba naka-recording to? Di ba kanina parang walang word na recording?
Kanina pa ata meron. Baka napansin lang natin. Susi pa rin yung hinahanap?
Ako, susi ko, hinahanap.
Susi.
Susie, Stranger Things. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, where is... Amali mo dito, no? Kasi sinirado yung ilaw dito, eh. Oh my god, what the fuck?
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Nagulat ko. Oh my God.
Ay. Tangina, okey, tangina. Oh my God. Ay naku, gago may mga bako na dito. Fam, what am I even looking for? Di ko na kailangan ng bulb eh. Baka nasa doorknob lang. Nakita na ba natin? What to do? Gago, biglang nagsara. Nagsara. Oh my God, man. No, I need to be prepared. You know what's coming.
Biyasag. Uy,
You know what's
ano
coming.
yun? Wala naman.
Nag-glitch yung camera, that's what it is. Oh my God.
Saan yung fucking susi na yan?
Oh, ganyan dito si Jerry. Ano ba talaga? What is it? Gumalaw to. Can't play with me.
Laro daw kayo.
Hindi na. Sira na.
Susi na battery.
Wait na pala eh. Ano ba? Anong hinahanap? Ayun! Wow! Sa sobrang bulag natin, inaano na lang eh, sinuzoom in na lang mismo ng game. Okay,
Di ata makahintay ah.
Wait, what is this? Dear diary. Oy!
Ay ako? Dear Diary, today's the annual opening day of my camp. I have been preparing for this for 3 years so that this summer will be special for me. During these days, I will bring up real people. Putang ina.
Sheesh! What? 1958 ba?
Tapos na?
Oh. Oh. There is no light. Hindi ako, wala akong camera para.
Kaka-start lang ng game?
Ewan ko.
Eh, flashlight yan, flashlight.
Hindi ka naman tumagal dito, di ba? Hindi ka umabot ata
Oo.
dito eh.
Oo.
You noob.
Press F, press F.
Uy.
Uy, gago, ina. The doctors make the wrong diagnosis for Ivan. He needs a heart transplant. Only this will help him. I no longer have the strength to fight the doctors. We decide not to contact them again. I will heal my son myself, no matter what it takes. What the fuck? Dalin mo yan sa doktor, fucking witch.
Oh, okay. Flashlight na yung F. Oh my gosh. May safe.
Oh. Saan? Sa school ka? Ano yan? Flashback or...
Ewan ko. Wala naman siguro. Hindi ko to mag-grab. It doesn't. Uy, gagi. Ay, ito ba yung orphanage? Kala ko bahay-bahay
Opo.
lang to eh. Ano
Ano
kaya?
may weighing scale na dati?
Oo nga, no. Eh, dati spring pa lang yun, ah.
Kaya nga. Kala ko yung parang ano lang, yung parang,
Oh my god, children and caregivers are asleep. I won't bother them. No, I want to bother them.
ay what the fuck? May tao na. Ay gago, same.
Oo nga, same lang. Kaya nga, orphanage pala to eh. Kala ko bahay
Orphanage ang
lang.
liit.
Gogyo. Ano ka pala eh. Man namata mo sila eh. Oh my god. Just open up, bruh. What do I even do? Gago. Anong gagawin? Hindi nga ako makagrab. AH na yun.
Oh, mas malinis ah. Anong gagawin? Doesn't work. Hindi mo ba pwede move yung tricycle?
Yung inano ko, pinupush ko. Hey, get out.
Bobo naman ng lalaking to. Ba siyang
Kaya nga
kamay?
eh. Ah, baka ano dahil nakaano ako ng ano. Eh, move, move. Ah, hirap pala ko lang ano. Gagawin.
Ano ba binigay na objective?
Hindi, ano, hindi ko rin alam. May anong objective dito.
Sige, balik ka nga sa office.
Ay, wala.
Ay,
Ngayon lang
yan.
to ah. We need to run.
Anna, we need to run. It's all because of the director. I was spying on her. She was talking to someone about something bad. Hala, anong ginagawa ni Director Alakasa Manakabov? Anong pangalan niya? What an asshole.
Pero hindi yun ano open kanina, di ba? Open ba yun kanina?
Hindi. Baka nag-open na yung doors.
Ba't kasi walang run to eh? Ba't kasi walang run to eh? Oh, hala. May lumabas na. Ay,
Ay, yung flashlight lang.
ito nagbukas oh. The key to the safe. Ah, okay.
Gago. You filthy child. Ano yan?
The key to the safe. Pwede ba dumaan dito? Hindi naman. Pwede ko makuha dyan. Para.
Move mo yung chair. How ba di mo move yung chair?
Oh,
Uupo
okay.
ka. Ito.
Ito.
A special boy. Yakov came to the camp. He has no parents or relatives, and he became my favorite because he is so similar to my son Ivan. I really want to see him. Yakov is a good boy, although he does not speak, but he understands everything and does everything I ask. In the afternoon, I had to meet with Alexei Sergeyevich at the shelter where we used to work. He ordered us to fulfill our agreement tonight. This day has come. Yakov will help me with this. Before going to bed, children always invent horror stories while the counselors put them to bed. This can distract them. Ano? What? Ano to?
Okay. Wait. I need
What do
this
you
one.
mean special plan?
Surgery and then return back. Okay. Wala. Meron pa pala.
We worked together with Alexei Sergeyevich in an orphanage. Then I acted carelessly and I received a complaint. The director had to close the shelter. I was suspended from medical work. Now I will not make such a mistake because only he knows about our agreement. I must continue to find people for him to collect their kidneys, and Alexei Sergeyevich will help me perform heart transplant operation for Ivan. According to all indicators from the medical record, Yakov is an ideal donor. I'll set up an accident and no one will look for him. Ay, gago!
Okay.
So, gagamitin niya si Yakov for his son? For her son?
Sino?
Yung si Ivan.
Si Ivan.
Kukunin nila yung organs ni Yakov.
Yung Ivan yung may sakit, yung sa doktor.
Oo. Oo.
Sino tong si
Yung anak niya.
Alexi?
Yung tutulong para makuha yung organs ni Yakov. Ata.
Hmm.
So, kailangan mo ata. Filter is missing and the glass is broken. Ay, yan yung nakita natin sa chair.
Huh?
He ruined my gas mask.
Ba yun? Kaya pa rin
Gago,
magbukas.
may nagbukas.
Nagbukas.
Ay, ilalagay mo yung ano. Kailangan mo ata maghanap ng filter at glass.
Papasabugin ko to.
Tama na yan.
Oh my god, my vision! Oh,
Ay, gago.
hello there, bro. Just, oh my god.
Taping glass.
Yo, what?
Ay, flashback nga. What the fuck?
Okay, let's get this again.
Maria's diary.
Okay, so what to do now?
Okay, so
May bagong note. You were told, crossed out to get out of here. Leave this place alone. Okay. It's locked. There are empty pages left in Maria's diary. You can use them to answer. I hear them standing outside the door. Huh?
what do you mean outside the door? Nandyan, pinupush nila. So, kailangan mo hanapin yung pages ng diary.
Ilan ba? Di rin to
Hindi ko
nagsasabi.
alam.
Okay, brisk walking. Okay, speedrun. Let's go. Ay nako, bakit kasi kinakalat-kalat pa yung papel eh?
Supernatural eh. Hindi naman like parang isang tao dyan, ginugulo ka lang.
Wala man, par. Ano na par? Take. Kanina hindi ko to matik.
Puta. Ay, kailangan mo daw kausapin. Tatak.
I know what happened here. Let me help you. Tell me, who are you?
Sila lagay mo ata sa baba ng ng door. Siya nata. Ilalagay mo sa baba ng door. Kasi kakausapin mo ata yung mga bata.
Okay, prepare your heart.
Scary.
Prepare your heart. Oh, kala ko aso to. Ano to?
Ayun yung rabbit.
Yung hair.
Hair, rabbit, whatever.
Hindi, yung buhok hair. Ikaw, ano to? Nabasa mo na ba to? Ay, oh, the name is Yako.
Oo.
Ano na, pinapunta lang tayo doon para...
Baka may nagano sila. Yan na.
Oh!
Gago po. Tangina
Gagi.
gago.
Tangina, naka-close yung door. Should try
Should try
waiting,
writing.
writing letter. Ah, should try writing the letter again.
Reading.
Ha?
Yan.
Oh,
Mag-write ka na naman ng letter.
wow, amazing.
I read that people were killed here.
Di ba
Di ko
pwede
pinatapos.
mag-messenger na lang tayo par...
Tangina mo, 1958. Ay, hindi pala. Modern na pala.
Hindi mag-Skype na lang tayo. Ano naman, pinapantay mo. Bagal naman magsulat nito. Hey, make it fast. Tapos malay mo may jump scare pala dito.
Kaya nga.
Op, 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 op. Tapos nandito pala yung jump scare.
Op, op, op.
Op, 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 op. Ba hinahanap? Bagal naman magsulat nito. Nag-restore na lang to eh. Uy, may sulat na ulit. I was accused, but I didn't do it. Get out of here.
Go.
Fuck.
Go.
Naman, par. Ano na naman ang gagawin ko, par? Baka dito nagpaki... Ha? Eh, pwede ko pala i-take to. Ipakita ko to sa kanya. Oh, ito. Ahem. What's your name, Yakov? Have you been living here alone for many years? Ay, nako. Oh. Grabe naman. Ang tagal ng conversation na to. Nagtatanong pa lang tayo ng pangalan ng itong batang to. Oo, may jump scare oh. O ano. Sino gagawa ng orphanage sa forest? What the fuck? Yes, here I can communicate with my friends. Si Yakov nga to. Here I can communicate with my friends. We guard this place because it is our home. A lot of people came here just to break our things. But my friends helped me to drive away strangers. I'm afraid that someone will see me and tell me that I live here and those people will come for me. Okay, dito na naman tayo. Magsusulat na naman tayo. Okay. Who are your friends? Why are they here too? Di ba pwedeng accept na lang sa FB par? The spirits of this place, those who were tortured here, they remained locked up here. That day, in the evening after lights out, someone came. Probably it was the person with whom the director spoke. He didn't find me. I think that because of this, he poisoned all the residents and the director.
Oh shit. The
Oh,
fuck?
sulat na naman.
Uy, gago.
Dahil na talagang finokus ng game sa ano na yun eh. Sulat na naman. Nakakapagod na to. Di ba pwede mag-video call na lang? All this was planned by the director of the camp? What are you talking about? What kind of person was she talking to? Ah. Tapos may jump scare na to.
Bubuksan yung pinto.
May
Oo,
jump scare na
pintuan.
to. Oh, wala pala, wala. Ayan, ang tagal par. Bilisan mo na. Uy. It's all her. I saw our director talking to someone in an old hospital near the camp. They agreed that they would do their work at night. Then I realized that it was connected with us. But I couldn't warn everyone. I didn't see who else was there because I was scared and hid. In the morning, I went into the building and found no one. Her safe was also not there. I thought that the man and his assistants had taken everyone away and hidden the bodies in that building. I had to stay in here and live in the ventilation, only sometimes go to the rooms. Sulat na naman.
The fuck sa ventilation?
Pusang gala, walang katapusan na sulat to. Sa
So, nakatira
bagay.
lang siya. Ano yan? Ghost pa rin siya?
What? May
Gago, ba't
pupunta
ka
tayong
pupunta
ibang building.
doon? Jump scare.
Eh kung kunin mo kaya agad ang bagal, ang sa akin 3 sentence lang sulat ko sa'yo. Isang paragraph palagi. Bilis. Ay hala. Ano to? Yakov doesn't answer anymore. It's time to go to the abandoned hospital. Need tear.
Need to tear.
Tear.
Need to
Bakit?
tear. Tear pala.
Tear. Bobo mo naman.
Same lang yung spelling eh. Need to tear the...
Ano
To
gagawin
tear.
natin?
To tear. Ano, pupunitin yung boards?
No,
Yan, no?
feeling ko alis ako eh.
Pumunta ko sa hospital? Hospital?
Hindi man lang pinakita yung pag ano, eh, sira ng boards eh.
Tagal naman. Anong ginagawa niya sa board?
Hindi na lang niloading agad eh. Pinakinggan pa natin yung ano.
Ay puta, night rate ang ina.
Night trip pa lang. Tangina, magna night 58. What the fuck, man? Ano to? 5 hours? 10 hours? 1 day vid? Take. Take. Loko. Hindi ko naman binulo yun par. Ay, gago, ito na yung hospital. Okay, much bigger. Hindi ka pa nakapunta dito, no?
Tagal na akong nag-stop siya.
Sheesh.
Tagal na akong...
What to do? Do I crouch? How do I get there? Water? No. Kailan ba akong i-drag? Yo, how do we get in? Saan na to?
Baka makailan mo ganap ng bolt cutters. Di ko lang.
Oh man.
Ano yun?
Oh my god. If
Dami
you're gonna
nagkikrik.
scare-
Lo,
Ano?
nag-change yung ano? Or ganyan talaga?
Wala ko nga ano.
Gago ka. Nag-change, bobo ka.
1946, after the war, dozens of children end up in shelters after losing their parents. An orphanage for the maintenance and upbringing of orphans worked under the leadership of the military. Di ba parang nag-enclose? Gago, nag-ibo.
Ay, gago. Nag-iba.
Ay, nasaan na tayo ngayon, par?
Saan mo? Hindi ba pwede mabuksan yung cabinet? Gago. Gago ka.
My gosh. If you were gonna open it fast. This door leads to another corridor. I have an angle grinder with me in my backpack. I can cut all the chains. Okay na.
Sa bakbak, sa bakbak.
I have to finish what I started.
Ang
My
ina mo,
gosh,
bobo ka.
bakit?
Ba't mo gagawin yan? Manood ka na lang sana ng fuck YouTube.
Oh my gosh.
Tang ina. Ba't siya
Oh,
mag-isa
naman.
din?
Ay, wow.
Meron pala siyang ganyan. Gamitin niya as weapon.
Okay. Okay. Oh, gagi. Ang laki ng lugar na to.
Bubuksan mo. Kakakatok mo. Bubuksan mo agad.
Siyempre, kailangan natin i-welcome yung guests. Oh yeah, I'm so scared. Oh my gosh. It's freaking 12 a.m. in the evening.
The morning na.
In the morning pala. Ano, sundan ko dito.
Oo, ata.
I didn't have time to save him. I don't believe it. This can't be happening. This is not my Vanichka. I'll save him. I need to find a donor urgently.
Si Ivan. Si Ivan yun.
Okay,
Let's talk about Ivan. Yung bolt cutter.
Bolt cutter. Par. Gago na block tayo par. Paano na to? Dito pa yun. Oh my gosh.
Binuksan yung pinto para sa atin.
May bolt cutter ako par. Anong gagawin mo? I know what I'm doing is wrong, but I have no choice. I have to save my son Ivan. I was lucky that Alexei Sergeyevich agreed to help. I mustn't let him down. No one should know about our affairs. Sheesh.
Sheesh affairs.
Bago na naman. Buti di nasisira yung grinder.
Electric eh. Tapos may ganyan pala siya, ba't may bolt cutter pa? Gago.
I don't know if I'll make it to the morning because today's shift is bothering me. I want to run away from here, but then I won't get paid. I hear voices as if I'm not alone. I thought I saw a woman more like her silhouette or shadow. She went into the closet. I'm afraid to follow her and move the closet. I don't want to check if it's true or maybe it's just my imagination, which has sharpened after a glass of vodka. On the cabinet weighs some products made of feathers and cobwebs. I have never seen them anywhere. They look terrible and it smells of dead things from there. Okay, I'll have another glass and go to bed until morning. Sino ba yung nagsasalita? Si Alexei. Sabi daw
Oo lang eh.
galawin daw yung ano eh. Ano ba yung gagawin? Yung cabinet. What What you mean, dog? What you mean? What you mean? What you mean? Binasa mo rin ba?
Hindi.
Hindi mo binasa? Ano, antay-antay na naman tayo dito para.
Anong cabinet? Check mo yung nasa end ng hallway. Wala. Ay, nagbago na pala.
Oh, ito basahin. Make it fast. Speedrun.
Baka yung tabi niyang cabinet. Check mo yung left niyan. Likod mo, oh. Baka may cabinet.
Ito ba?
Parang yan yung cabinet na sa hall kanina.
Oh, fuck! Oh!
Tang ina. Gago po. Tang ina. Gago. Sakit. Tang ina.
Tangina, gago naman. Naiwan na naman yung lugar. Oh my god, why did we even close it pa? May nalock tayo dito.
Tang ina.
Hindi na ako natatakot basta putang ina mo, gago ka.
Tang ina po. Tang ina. Sakit. Sakit.
Gago, ang pangit ng ito. A year later, after the events in 1950, the buildings was reclassified as a hospital, but with budget cuts, it stopped working again. My god, pinapabasa talaga yun sa atin yung whole thing.
Tang ina.
Oh my gosh, bakit walang running na dito?
What the fuck? Huwag mo sabihin may mga underground kulto na naman to. Ay, gago. Gago.
Sino to? Kilala mo?
Di. Ay, ma-demonic shit. Ba't may mga daming human remains, oh?
Let the one who finds me feel the pain of a mother who has lost her child. At namatay si Ivan. I
Di ko alam.
curse everyone who couldn't help me, and I'm not just going to help.
Sino yan?
What she meant by that and how she would return, Maria, I'm so sorry.
Gago, nawala siya.
Oh no, we're stuck. Tayo nga muna ako.
Gago. Gago, nawala siya. Si Maria, yan yung nanay ni Ivan. Ata.
Here are the documents from 1958. Alexei Sergeyevich, about whom Maria spoke, replied to her that he would no longer participate in this and refused to work with her. Then what was the case in question, and who was she talking to when you helped so? There is something else. That certificate document. This is her son, Ivan. He died in the fall of 1950. Apparently, she couldn't stand it and went crazy.
Gago.
This is her son, Ivan. He died in the fall. She couldn't stand it and went crazy. She wanted to save him so badly that she lost touch with reality. Poor woman. Nanay niya?
Oo, nanay ni Ivan yan. Si Maria ata. Yan yung death certificate ni Ivan.
Nagano lang tayo ng birth certificate. No one. Hindi ako makatae, walang tubig para.
Tingin ka kayo sa taas. Oh, wag mag-joke ng ganyan.
Ano bang hinahanap, par? Ito, basahin to. Oh, may lagi. Need to get out of here as soon as possible. Okay, let's run.
Wag.
Gago, alam mo,
Po.
parang tayo pa yung mapoboses na yun.
Oh, tang ina.
Ah, just open the fucking door. Sabi mo, mamadali ako.
Straight. Straight lang.
Gago, 3 weeks later.
Oh my god, kala ko may jump scare.
Again?
Ano pumalit ka dyan?
Hello, Yakov. You no longer need to be offended when you look out in the ocean something like you did not know. Sino nga si Yakov?
Yung ano nga, yung gusto nila patayin para kunin yung organs. Orphan siya.
My friend Alex Morton. Ano pangalan pala natin, Alex?
Alex?
I am glad that this investigation turned out to be so interesting and unique. I managed to solve the mystery of 58 and help you find peace and freedom. But we need to move on. I'm going to there, I will
May vlog?
tell you about it. Okay. Skip. Huwag mo sabihin, ay, tapos na. Yun na yun.
Damn. Oh. Sheesh.